Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating a fitness and workout progress tracker in Airtable, a fantastic tool to monitor and measure your fitness journey. First things first, you'll want to open up Airtable and create a new base. Now, bases in Airtable are like individual projects. The reason we do this is to keep our workout tracker separate and organized. Next up, we're going to add 3 tables to our base: exercises, workouts, and progress. This helps us because it breaks down our data into manageable categories. The exercises table will list all the exercises you perform, workouts will record each workout session, and progress will track your overall fitness improvement over time. Now that we've done that, let's start filling in the exercises table. Add fields for name of exercise, type, muscle group, and equipment needed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These fields will help you organize your exercises and plan your workout sessions effectively. The next step is to populate the workouts table. You'll need fields for date, exercise, sets, reps, and weight. The reason we do this is to record detailed information about each workout session. This data is crucial for monitoring progress and adjusting your workout routine as needed. Moving on to the progress table, this is where you'll record your measurements. Fields like date, weight, body fat percent, and muscle mass are essential. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking these metrics over time allows you to visualize your progress, motivating you to stay on track with your fitness goals. Once you've filled in your tables, you can use Airtable's Group By feature to sort your data. You might want to group your workouts by date or exercise, for example. This helps us because it provides an organized view of your workout history. In the end, always remember to update your tables regularly to keep your progress tracker accurate and up to date. And there you have it, a dynamic, customizable fitness and workout progress tracker. This will be a game changer for your fitness journey, helping you stay organized, motivated, and on track. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep crunching those numbers and those abs.